back to my channel, and right now I'm at Bilani. So guys, basically this part of the city, Bilani, is the outskirts of Brasov, and also you can rent a house or apartment here. Is quite cheap, but the only thing is it will be very far from your university. तो भाई यूनिवर्सिटी से बहुत दूर होगा, तो आने जाने में 1 घंटा लगता है टोटल, और एक बस और एक ट्राम चेंज करनी होती है. In this part of the city, this is how the house looks like. These are the old houses, and I mean, I think this is like pretty too old. So right now I'm just trying to explore this place because it looks quite different to me, like kind of interesting. This morning my friend, she just hit me up and she told, Utkarsh, you want to go to shop something because right now is the end of the season sale. So I was like, okay, let me just go and just check it out, like what's going on. And also many of you guys were asking me, bro, is in Poland right now is a lockdown or not? Hope with this video you can just see like what's going around, like what are the normal life looks like here in Poland right now. I'm just trapped in a parking. I just thought कि मैं यहाँ से निकल जाऊँगा, but there's a fence. I think I'll have to walk back from here. This was the building I was talking about. It's also a gym. It's kind of cool. Guys, if you're new to my channel, so my name is Utkarsh. I live in Poland and I make vlogs. So in case if you are watching my face, मतलब यहीं से चल जाऊँगा मैं, shortcut मारेंगे अपन. So in case if you're watching my face for the first time, so I would just love if you check out my channel and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Pretty sure this is a church because here in Poland you can find churches everywhere. Poland is a Catholic country. Majority of the people here in Poland, they are Christians. They practice Christianity. So if you're planning to come to Poland, just make sure you learn some history about Poland. You learn some facts here and there to just make your life more easy. मतलब बहुत बोल दिया, friend अभी तक नहीं आई, पता नहीं यार क्या, समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे अब. So here is my friend, and you probably know my friend because she's in my some of the older vlogs. मतलब मैं पीछे वहाँ vlog कर रहा था, मुझे देख के दूर से हंसने जा रही है. मतलब मैं बोला कौन हंस रहा है मुझे देख के. यार एक फ़ोन तो कॉल कर देती, मतलब गंदी लड़की है. Julia, what is this? You should follow the rule. What's up? So guys, what I'm saying, bro? You smell good. Huh? Victoria's Secret. Okay. Okay, you got Victoria's Secret. Don't show me, okay? Alright guys, so I have Julia with me, and I think you probably know her if you watch some of the older vlogs. I get so many comments and messages from people that why Julia is not coming in the vlog. So Julia, say hi. Hello. Can you say that subscribe to my channel? Say it.
Yeah.
So guys, we are just walking in the random street, random neighborhood here in Bilani. I kind of like the houses here. It's kind of old and they have very different vibe, you feel me? Speak in English, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, speak in Hindi.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay guys, so same story, different day. Whoa. Alright guys, just check out this place. And here there are some random kids playing on the streets. I kind of miss this vibe. And here's a grumpy dog. I don't know, I think he don't like me, right? Yeah. He doesn't like me, right?
Oh.
It's kind of cool. So guys, if you guys are wondering this how the typical Polish houses look like, it's a house and this, I think the backyard, it's like a small, I mean I shouldn't be filming exactly somebody else's home, but I'm kind of besharam. I don't really care. मतलब वीडियो के लिए भाई कुछ भी. Guys, I don't know where Julia is taking me. This looks like a jungle लग रहा है यार, तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा भाई दूर दूर तक. So basically in this area they have a lot of like big shops, like big stores, like IKEA, Castroma, YSK, JYSK, something like this. I mean all the stores where you can find all the home appliances. So guys देखिए यहाँ तो खेती वगैरह भी हुई है, तो यहाँ पे आलू, बैगन, प्याज, सब्जी सब उग रहा है भाई, देख लो.
Fuck you.
So guys, she was learning Hindi back then, but I think she lost interest because we kind of stopped like hanging out for a while. Things got a bit complicated between us. I mean, I cannot tell everything on the camera. I mean, I think you guys are smart enough to understand what's going on, you feel me? Guys, I don't know where Julia is taking me. She's taking me to a random store. Her name is Eurocash, cash and carry. It's kind of very windy as usual in Poland, so I hope कि साउंड अच्छे से आ रहा होगा, क्योंकि हाई साउंड आना चाहिए, क्वालिटी वीडियो की होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? So guys, we just crashed into a random store and I don't know what I'm doing here because भाई मेरे लायक तो यहाँ कुछ नहीं है. मतलब वहाँ कुछ एडल्ट चीज़ें थी जो मैं वीडियो पे नहीं दिखा सकता हूँ, बट मे बी मैं डाल दूंगा वो फुटेज, तो आप देख लेना क्या था वो. दिस वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रैंडम एंड weird, cringy store I've ever seen. It had all the, you know, kind of adult things, which you know, I mean, I won't say it on the camera, but yeah. So what next? Guys, right now we are just going to the Bilani Mall. She bought like 2 sex toys, like dildos, and she loves dildos in her. Okay, chill out.
Okay, now.
If anybody of you want a, how to say it, pin, safety pin, so you can come over here. It's like a big one, and this is the Bilani Mall I was talking about. And right now we just gonna go inside and check the place out. मतलब मेरा ऐसा कुछ खरीदने का plan नहीं है, but if I'll find some good deal, you know, like sale going on, so maybe I can buy something. You wanna buy something for me, Julia? No? So she said no, so she won't gonna buy me anything. तो भाई मेरी पैसे लगने वाले हैं आज, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. I'm hungry, bro. This place has a vibe, you feel me? Guys, in March the weather in Poland is very cloudy and it rains here and there, but आज अच्छा कुछ मौसम था, तो भाई आज मौसम अच्छा था, धूप वगैरह निकली हुई थी. So I thought let's go and make video, but I think it got really cloudy and bad. As you can see, the people here are like chilling, you feel me? As far as I can see, many people have even stopped to wear a mask, which is kind of weird. And also like Yulia is not wearing mask because she got the vaccine recently. Hey, I don't know what I'm doing in this cosmetic store, Sephora, but let's go.
Why?
Guys, currently I'm in Sephora where you can buy cosmetics, and I'm just going to check some perfumes for men. So here they have Saint Laurent, which is kind of very expensive one, you feel me? Guys, here basically all the perfume starts from 400 zloty, which is like 8,000 Indian rupees, or let's say 100 euros. Here you have another brand which is Boss. भाई मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है कि ये सब perfume मैं खरीद सकूँ. Guys, here you can find the perfume of Chanel, and just check out the prices. Like nothing is less than for, you know, 400 zlotys. Technically, if you gotta come here, you gotta at least have like 1,000 zlotys in your account because everything is so fucking expensive. How this even smells like? So guys, here you have Dior, and this is all the, you know, premium perfumes. These are all the luxury brands basically. So if you don't know Pop Smoke, you gotta know like Christian Dior.
Christian Dior. I'm up in all the stores.
Yeah, everything is so fucking expensive, you know. I don't feel like I have money to buy all this shit.
You want me to
ये afford कर सकता हूँ मैं perfume strips. Buy me this. Gucci. Instead of spraying the shit on the paper, you can spray on outside, right? Yeah. So guys, right now we're just gonna fuck off from this store because it's kind of expensive. You can see everybody is in the mall. Like life is kind of like normal. And as I told you, like even some of the people, they're not even like wearing masks. Vaccine, you don't really have to wear the mask. That's the thing.
Czy ktoś tutaj sprawdzali papierosy? Nie. Dziękuję.
Yeah. So right now, देखिए बच्चे वगैरह भी खेल रहे हैं. This is basically some, you know, bread place where people are selling bread. Guys, as you can see, मतलब बहुत ही रोमांचक सीन है. रोमांचक मेरे को हिंदी आती नहीं यार. मतलब ऐसा लगता है हिंदी आती नहीं मुझे. मतलब हिंदी आती है पर नहीं भी आती, क्या बोलूँ मैं. I feel like the mall is kind of crowded. मैं इतना expect नहीं कर रहा था crowd, but guys, here in the mall you can also buy some grilled cheese. It's kind of yeah, she's grilling, right? It's kind of cool. Thank you. I saw a lot of people were like buying sausages, which is kind of very popular here in Poland. But let's go. तो भाई कोई स्टोर में तो इतनी भीड़ है कि मतलब खड़े होने की जगह भी नहीं है. People are just shopping like crazy. But until now मतलब मेरे को कुछ ऐसा दिखा नहीं कि जो मैं खरीद सकूँ. Like I couldn't find anything which I can buy. What's up? Milk chocolate. Here we are in a very creative store. They have all the, you know, creative stuff. You can, you know, just do like this. Looks much better. What is the life after lockdown? Because here in Poland the malls were closed for like very long time, for like more than 1 month or 2 months. So भाई यही है, देख लो scene. So guys, I just bought this chocolate which looks like a coin. I remember when I was a kid, I used to eat this kind of chocolates, you know, wrapped in a gold foil kind of. It's been a while like I saw Polo. I'm buying this stuff. I mean, literally, I'm seeing Polo after so long that, I mean, I had to buy it. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Fuck you, why didn't you?
Fuck. The name of the store was Flying Tiger. So if you wanna come here, just make sure you check this place out because they have a lot of really cool stuff. Okay, Max, I'm not going here. Just see the queue. So guys, this is how the chocolate looks like, and right now I'm gonna eat. Try it.
Yeah.
I don't like
Cool. So as currently I'm here in a sports shop and I'm just checking out some hoodies and t-shirt. So I'm just gonna show you the prices as well. 289 zlotys. So guys, I feel like I have a lot of black clothes. I mean, if you watch my videos, I wear a lot of black, but I don't know, I just like black so much that I keep buying more black. I don't know if anybody of you can relate, but if you can relate, just comment down below. Guys, here I actually like this hoodie, which is like for 185 zloty, like around 4,000 Indian rupees. And also I kind of like this sweatshirt, which is like without any hood. So guys, I decided to buy this one with the hood because I don't know, I'm just a person who likes wearing a lot of hoodies. So Yulia, what you buying? Look here, what's up? So Yulia is kind of pissed off because she couldn't find her shoes she was looking for. Looks beautiful, right? Guys, finally after, I don't know, like maybe 2 hours of shopping, like we didn't really buy anything. I mean, I just bought that hoodie and a couple of pair of socks. So guys, just look at the sky, it looks beautiful, right? It is in summer, the sky in Poland looks fucking amazing. So this was a mall and this is my bag which I bought, which looks kind of weird. Like it looks very like, you know, cheap quality bag made of plastic. So I think that's pretty much for this video, and right now I'm just gonna go to, I don't know, eat something, right? I think that's pretty much for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. For whatsoever reason, if you did, just make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We're always taking pictures. बाल वाल भी खराब हो गए, इतनी हवा चल रही है. What's wrong with you? So guys, pretty much for this video. मेरा भी कभी कार से मर जाते pretty much करते करते. So guys, that's pretty much for this video. I really hope you enjoy this vlog for whatsoever reason. If you did, just make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, love from Poland, peace. और फिर मिलते हैं, ठीक है? Bye. Yeah. Bye.
Okay.
Okay.